guys, how are you? Papunta ako ngayon sa plaza dahil 65 founding anniversary ngayon ng Calabria Masbate. Ayan, invite tayo para mag-vlog, di ba? Vlogger na talaga si Jen. Okay, mag-video daw tayo doon sa Calabria Masbate. Ayan, sa munisipyo pala. Sorry. Ayan, pupunta ako ngayon sa munisipyo. Ay, school. Ayan yung school ng BCI. Ayan. Samahan nyo ko. Pakita ko lang yung kasalang bayan. Ayan, may magaganap na kasalang bayan.
I'm Michelle Arguliman, and I'm Bernadette R. Marbella. It's an honor to be part of this momentous celebration as celebrate not only the beauty of love, but the promise of commitment and the journey of a lifetime together. In just a moment, we will witness a truly magical moment, one filled with joy, hope, and the beginning of new chapters in each couple's story.
yung salitang humayo at magmakarami. So kailangan po mag-aagwad po tayo. May mga sinabi naman po ako.
Tayong kaunting aberya. Sabi nga po kanina, siguro it's a sign na pag nilay-nilayan, pag-isipan, baka meron po ditong mga nag-aalinlangan pa po, mga pinilit lang. Meron ba? Meron ba? Hanggang hindi pa po kayo nag-aaydo, may pag-asa pa. So, kidding aside po, kasi yun nga, hindi tayong kaunting aberya. Sabi nga po kanina, siguro it's a sign na pag nilay-nilayan, pag-isipan, baka meron po ditong mga nag-aalinlangan pa po, mga pinilit lang. Meron ba? Meron ba? Hanggang hindi pa po kayo nag-aaydo, may pag-asa pa. So, kidding aside po, kasi yun nga, hindi pinasok po ninyo forever na daw dapat sa ating pong
po ako sa ama sa atong lungsod, Mayor Froy, and Kaman Casey for this opportunity na kantahan mo sa inyong special nga adlaw. So, po, pwede mo, gunit tayo sa kamot. So, saya po, malaya ta.
Chance in heaven that you find a way to me. Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never yours. It's just in the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day.
Bawal ka sa hiram, huwag sa hiramay.
Too many foolish people trying to come between us. Nothing seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I belong here in your arms about the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if you only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this wretched world, this was clearly meant to be. What the other world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Congratulations!
Until the